dark of my night, I faced my own fear. Woke up to the silence, tears streaming near. But then came the dawn with its light so clear. Gratitude in my heart, no more tears to blur. I've walked through the valley where shadows play, where the whispers of death did once hold sway. Now I see the stars shining so bright, guiding me through the storm with their gentle light. So let's not take our chances in wars we engage. For every life lost just adds to our age. Let's find peace with kindness and love as our guide. Together we can heal and build a better time. Through the pain and the struggle, I've learned to trust that every step forward brings me closer to dust. Yet still I rise with hope in my soul, for tomorrow's sun will bring a brand new hope. I share this journey with you all around, to remind us of love that we can never shun. No more bloodshed, no more hate. Let's choose compassion and make the world our fate. So let's not fake our chances in wars we engage. For every life lost just adds to our age. Let's find peace with kindness and love as our guide. Together we can heal and build a better tide. We are one family under the same sky. With every breath we take, let's give back and try to cherish each moment and hold on tight. For in the end, it's love that makes every